How can I repair the relationship with my son? Well, that's again, depth healing will help that enormously. So I've healed so many families and family relationships like that. And here's what I do. First, you have to heal the wound. So I go in and I remove the wound between you and your son. Just it's the same way you would heal like a say a disease or anything else. So you go in and you take that out first. Then you communicate. You look in each other's eyes, you cry, you hold each other, and the healing occurs. But what keeps people apart is there's hurt and there's what we call carryover. The wound was like not forgiven. It's got all kinds of entanglement now and stories built up. All that has to be disassembled. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard, but it has to be disassembled so that there's nothing to stop you from looking in each other's eyes and holding each other. Does that make sense?